Unit 11, New Headway Plus Special Edition Elementary. Unit 11, page number 82. Unit 11 title Looking Good. Present continuous. Whose, clothes, words that rhyme, and in a clothes shop. The first topic we have is present continuous. Now, look at the pictures carefully. Look at the photos, the pictures here, and go to the question number 1, describing people, present continuous. Look at the photograph, describe the people, like who dot dot dot. That means who is tall, who isn't very tall, who is pretty, who is good looking, who is handsome, or who has got long hair, or short hair, or fair hair, or who has got blue eyes, who has got brown eyes, etc. I give you the answer key for this question number 1. So you see, this is a sample answers. So you might have a slightly different answer. This is one sample answer. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2. What are they doing? Like who dot 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 question mark. Who is smiling? Who is talking? Who is writing? Who is cooking? And so on. Now look at the picture and try to answer them. I give you the answer key. Lucy, like for example, number 1, Lucy, Mary, and Anna are smiling. Nadia is sitting down, or you can say Nadia is writing. So this way you can give answers. So this is answer for question number 2. Now, please move on. The next page, page number 83, grammar spot. Grammar spot. Number 1. Grammar spot number 1. Am is are plus adjective describes people and things. Am is are, if we add at the beginning am is are, then the adjective, one adjective, describe people and things. Example, she is, then adjective like young, tall, pretty. So she is young, or she is pretty, she is tall. This way we can describe a person or people. Now, number 2, am is are plus verb plus ing, verb plus ing, that means describe activities happening now. This is important. This is present continuous that we give a name, present continuous. Activities happening now. How do we say? Am is are plus verb plus ing describes activities happening now. For example, complete the table. Let's try to complete the table. I dash learning English. So if we have I right here, you have to write down am. I am. I'm writing. Uh, I'm learning English. So you make sentence. Or you say you are learning English. So on. I give you the answer key for this question. This is the answer key. You see, I am learning English. Or in short, you can say I apostrophe am learning English. You are learning English. He or she is learning English. Or you can make more sentences like that. We also can make sentences that are negative or questions with the same rule. So remember, this is present continuous. How do we say present continuous? Am is are plus verb ing, and present continuous means activities happening now. Okay. To understand more about present continuous, we can go to the grammar reference, page number 132, 11.2. Grammar reference 11.2, page 132. So let's go to page number 132, unit 11. Unit 11, page number 132, 11.1, present continuous. And you see here we have some rules where to use present continuous. The first one, remember the first one, we use present continuous to describe an activity happening now. Like I'm studying English, she's wearing dress, etc. Now, we also use present continuous to describe activity in the near future. Activity in the near future. Like I am playing tennis this afternoon. So maybe after a few hours I am going to play tennis. So we can use present continuous to describe a near future. Well, after that in grammar reference you can see the chart here, the table here. With this table you can understand how we make sentences in present continuous positive or negative. For example, the positive sentence, I am going outside. I'm going outside. I'm going outside. He is going outside. She is going outside, and so on. Well, to make it negative, to make the sentences negative, the only thing we need to add is not before the verb ing. I am not going outside. He is not going outside. It is not going outside, and so on. Well, if you have a plural verb, plural subject, you have to use are. If you have a singular subject, you have to use is. If you have the subject I, use am. Okay. Now, how to make questions in present continuous? This is the structure for question as well. That at the beginning use WH word, then use am, is or are, then the subjects, then verb plus ing at the end. Well, and notice how we answer the questions in present continuous as well. Well, to learn more, you can go through the rules of making present ing form of the verbs. Like number one, most verbs just add ing. Like go, going. Just add ing with the base form of the verb. But sometimes it happens that the last letter of some verb is E, so you have to drop E, you have to delete E, remove E, then add ing, like write, writing, smile, smiling, and so on. Well, and number three as well, certain verbs take the last consonant is repeated. Say for example, sit. So how do you know the last consonant is repeated? Look, like sit, S-I-T. The last letter is consonant T, and before that we have a vowel as well. So a vowel followed by a consonant. If it is like that, what we do is we repeat the consonant and then add ing, like sit, sitting, get, getting, run, running, and so on. Well, there are some examples how to use and where to use present continuous and present simple as well. Now, let's go back to the page number 83. Page number 83, the last question, question number 2. Write sentences that are true for you at the moment. Well, for example, I am not wearing a jacket, I'm wearing a sweater. So make more sentences like that about yourself and try to make true sentences. This is a sample answer for the question number 2.